Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the YJ timer. So yeah, let's get started. So if you can see properly, you have three buttons right on top. It's the power button, this is the save times button, and this is the button where it shows the save times. And at the bottom you have the reset button. So let me turn it on. It displays the time right over here. But let's say if I want to reset this, I need to press this button at the bottom and it resets that. So it also has an audio jack here to connect it to your computer. So let me show you how to save times on this. So I will just do a random stop kind of thing. So let's say I need to save this time here. So I'll press this button once, the save button right here. Now it's gonna like flicker between these two. It says time 1 here, if you can see over here. So I want to save it in slot 1. It has 3 slots to save times. So I'm gonna long press the save button here. It's gonna save a time in the slot 1, if you can see right here. So now I'm gonna go back. You can click the reset button to go back twice. So I'll do another time here. Now I'm gonna save this in the second slot. To do that, you need to press the save button again. Now it's gonna show time 1, but you just don't want to replace it with that time you entered before. So you're gonna press this button to select the time 2. So I pressed it. Now I can save it in the second slot. I just need to long press here. Now it's saved in the second slot, if you can see right here. Now I can go back and do another one, and I'm gonna save it in the third slot now. I'm gonna save it right here. And I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna power it off and turn it on again and show you that the 3 times are saved in here. You just need to press this button to like see the times you saved. That's the time 1, that's the time 2, and that's the time 3. You can press the reset button and go back. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe if you liked it, and thank you.